This question now say a car accelerates uniformly from rest to a speed of 30 meters per second in 10 seconds. What distance does it cover during this time? So wetin dey find now na distance. Just write am down. Distance. Remember say na the parameters wey we dey bring now, given data. Na distance we dey find. But apart from this distance wey dey find, wetin na wetin dem give? If you read through the equation, you see say they say a car accelerates uniform from rest. That means initial velocity, they no give us na 0. To a speed, that's initial speed, they no give us. Final speed, now be this one. If you use V as your final speed, 30 meters per second. In 10 seconds, so they don't give you time as 10 seconds. What is the distance covered? Now the distance we define. Now, plenty people will go, they use the SUVAT. Carry they solve this thing. This if you take your time, but I will show you for this particular video. I will show you 2 methods, make you just decide which one you will use for exams. But for me, for shortcuts, why they always they help you, they bring. See what I want me to do. Remember, say anytime they tell you say the acceleration they uniform. Anytime just notice say the acceleration they uniform. Most times this particular average speed they work. What will be average speed? Average, and the find shortcut what we use for average. Average speed now always initial speed, initial spell and when initial speed plus final speed divided by 2. Now wetin average speed be that. Now wetin be the initial speed? Now it be this particular 0. 0 plus final speed, now be this one will be 30 meters per second divided by 2. Everybody knows say 0 plus 30 na 30 divided by 2. This one will give you 15. 15 waiting speed, the unit na meters per second. But you see 15, you know see am. Some people go rush go take this particular one. You dey deceive yourself. Oh, no try am. Oh. Remember, say no be average speed. They say make you find. Now distance, they say make you find. So how I want to find distance? Make I show you. You know, say if they define speed, normally average speed na distance divided by time. But then since you find this particular distance will be d, you go cross multiply this one. I dey show you step by step, make you no make mistake. So it means a distance now will be equal to average speed times time. So what will be this average speed? See am here, you get am as waiting 15. So 15 times, what will be the time? See am na 10. What this one will give you? Remember that distance they find. 15 times 10, just carry 0 add to 15. It will give you 150. 150 waiting meters. Let me the unit of distance. Option A. It says that one sweet. So now you go decide whether you go choose this particular one, will go short and quick for you, or you go try use the equations of motion, maybe the SUVAT I tell you about. How I want to try that one, make I clean this one. Now watch. You go use this formula first. V equal to U plus AT. Some people call it the first equation of motion. Now this particular V now be the final velocity or final speed. 30 equal to U na 0 plus A, you know 1. So use and multiply by T will be 10. I will show you step by step. Now remember say 0 plus this particular, in fact, make us 40. 30 equal to 8 times 10 will give us 10A. Remember say anything we add to 0, now that same thing. If you divide both sides by 10, divide both sides by 10, 10 and 10 will cancel. Therefore, this A acceleration will be equal to 30 divided by 10. If it's too big for me, I will just squash these zeros. 3 divided by 1 will be 3. What will be the unit for acceleration? Meters per second square. See, say for physics, anytime you get your answer, you always they put the units, even though no be what they find. Now, what they find? Now, distance, no be acceleration. So, which formula now we're going to use? We will carry this guy join. Now, this equation of motion, U equal to S will be distance, UT plus half AT squared. Now, waiting be your U. Remember that this guy, distance will be D. Some textbook will use S for their distance. Now, S now will be distance equal to U now 0. So 0 times your T will be 10, will still be 0. Plus half of A, your A now 3, times your time will be 10, you go square. So this one now, 0 times 10, don't go. How you want to finalize am? S now will be equal to half. This 3 don't dey there, times 3 times 10 squared na 100. If I multiply 3 by 100, it will give me 300. 300, half of 300 na 150. Or 300 divided by 2. See am. S now will be equal to 3 times 100 na 300. So 1 times 300 na 300. 300 divided by 2 na 150 meters. So the first method and this particular method, which one will you like? And which one will go fast for you? Do the decision by yourself. Me, I come to come save you. But if you don't reach this particular point, you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, hit them, and turn on the bell icon, because I come here to come help you make you pass your exam. Don't forget to share the video, go groups, make people follow or enjoy this one, pass the exam. Make them not go next year, go write them. Help their life. Me, I don't come out to.